Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear student of class 6, today we are going to learn the new topic, and this new topic is that new exercise is that 11a. I hope that you have book with you. Just read out here. It is said that the total student the employees 400, and out of 400 the 24 employees will be retrenched, that means fired. Okay, so now you have to find out the value of you have to find out the value of the percentage of strange employees. Okay, so let's go. It will be also E. So employees, so let's go solve this maths. Okay, so my dear students, what did I say? The 24 student out of, yes, 24 students out of 400. So that's why it will be 24 divided by 400. All the time the total things will be down, and what will be happen, that will be the upper one. And here you can see that 24 divided by 400, and and multiply 100 percentage. And these things is the technique to make any number percentage. Okay, I suppose you got in city uh, out of 10 8 you got. Okay, so what will be the percentage? That means out of 100. It is our main topic. So just one things, multiply its 100 percentage, and percentage sign keep the same or uh, not will be changed. Just multiply the numbers and keep the percentage sign in the answer, then you will get the answer. Okay, so here the same things, the 24 is our main work. uh, here 24 is our main work, and 400 the total. So the percentage of strange employee will be 24 divided by 400 multiply 100 percentage. Now this 0 cut, this 0 will be cut, and 4 6 6 for 24. So 6 percentage will be the answer. Okay, you got the point. So now go for the next maths, and in next maths, just I am telling the summarize. Total student 120. How many? Total student 120, and among 120, 24 student went to visit National Heritage Board. 36 student visit this. So now we have to find out the percentage about this. So let's go. So first of all, the percentage of visitors National Heritage Board, and the 24 students went there. That's why 24 divided by 120 and multiply 100 percentage. You got the point? So what will be the answer? Guess things? Yes, that will be the 20%, and it is given in the upper is the 20%. Okay, now move on the next. 36 went for battle box. So 36 divided by 120 multiply 100%. Do calculate, you will get 30%. Same things. And 54 Singapore Discovery Center. So 54 by 120 multiply 100 percentage equals 45. Okay, now the main topic is that the rest student would like to go visit people's association. So what are the rest student? The rest students amount is not given here, so you have to find out from 120. Our total student is 120, 24, 36 and 54. They were their different things, so if we add them together and subtract from 120, then we will get the rest student. So now let's calculate first the rest student, then we'll understand. Okay, so let's calculate the rest student. So rest people equals 120 minus 24 plus 36, and you can see that 24 24 36 54. So if we subtract here, then answer will be 120 minus 114 equals 6. Only 6 students will left. So percentage of visitors of PA, that means rest, 6 by this equals 5%, and this is our answer. Okay, I hope that you understood. Now our number 3, calculate the percentage. Calculate the percentage means whenever you will see the percentage sign, then a percentage sign's value will have to be put it there. That we know that percentage sign value equals 1 by 100. Okay, so let's go. This maths is given 15 percentage of this, you have to calculate it. So no problem, and try yourself. I hope that you can do that. So first of all, change the mix number. So it will be 31 by 2, and here 31 by 2, and percentage equals 1 by 100, and we gave there. Okay, uh, okay, then and multiply 6. So if you multiply them together, now look here, d0 will cut. Okay, then 2 uh, 2 then 32. So if we multiply like this, so finally the answer will come what? Calculate yourself. What will be the final answer? Final answer will come, tell, guess things. Okay, it will come 92.2. Okay, now just give me, just it will be, the answer will be 99.2. Okay, the answer is 99.2. Okay, $99.2, and you know that dollar sign will be the first, so no problem, at the dollar. Okay, now come to the next point. Okay, my dear student, again uh, we are going to solve the another one. This is this 6.5 percentage of the same way. The percentage value is 1 by 100, and for point we can write 65 by 10. Okay, so you can see that this 0 will be cut, and so, and also here uh, there's 3 zeros will be cut, so multiply 5 and 65, so it will be 325. Okay, the 3 zeros upper and 3 zeros down will be cut. Okay, no problem. Now we are going to solve the next maths, and this next maths you can uh, so here here you can see that this is the 125 percentage of 50. If we write this one, it would be uh, if I write this one naturally, it would be 125. And now look, 125, then 1 by 100, 1 by 100 multiply 50. Okay, this line. And for this line, these two zeros and these zeros will be cut. uh, 1 1 0 will cut, and 5 to the 10. So finally it will have 125 by 2. So we will get this one. Okay, got the point? Yes. So now we are solving the D, the 30.6 uh, percentage of 300 liter. Okay, no problem. First of all, you have to write the value of the percentage, and if there is decimal point, then write the decimal point, or not, it doesn't matter, no problem. So after doing calculation, you will get 91.8. This means this 0 will cut, this 0 will cut. Okay, so here 3 multiply with this, you will get this result. So now I am going to solve number 4. Here in the question it is said that in a village, in a election seat, okay, 15% of the voters didn't give vote. That means they are the failed, and total voter is 850. And it is saying in the question that how many number of voted people, those who gave vote. Okay, so first of all we have to find out the those people didn't give vote. So 15% of 8,500, they didn't give vote. So now just we calculate it, the go for the second line. So 15 divided by 100 this, and if we calculate, finally we're getting this line. Okay, so now this is not answer, but our main answer is that number of voters. So total voter this one, and 1275 they didn't give vote. So that's why the answer will be 725 peoples. Okay, then and number 5, it's very interesting things. 4 whole 1 by 4% of the total tires are defective, and total tires was 28000. If you have book, so look at the book, then you can understand. So just we have to find the number of defective tires. So at a percentage, so now if we calculate with percentage, then we will get the answer. We do not have to find the percentage. Okay, make it, make change the mixed number 17 by 4, again percentage. So 1 by 100 and 28,000. So to this 0 will cut, and here you can see that 4 and 280, that means 70. Okay, so if we minus 17 and 70, we will get this. Okay, now the final maths. The protein in 1 bushel, it is given 39.5 percentage of 120. Okay, it is given. So just calculate. So after doing calculation, we got the 47.4 kg. Okay, and this is the protein in 1 bushel. So we have to find our protein finally in 100 acres. So but it is given also in the book, protein in 1 acre equals 50 bushels. That means how much protein will be for the 50 bushel, that will be for the 1 acres. So protein in 1 acres equals protein of 50 bushels. 50 bushels equals 50 multiply 47 point, you can see here, you can see here 50 multiply 47.4 equals 23. so equals 2370 kg. Now the finally the protein in 100 acres equals in 1 acres, if 100 acres, so it will be multiplied by 100. So just we have to multiply by 100, so 100 multiply this, so this is. So I hope that guys you understood the percentage problem. So percentage problem is very easy maths. So again we will solve in the next video the 11b. So until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.